Am I actually maximizing the Rogers 1.5x cashback redemption bonus, or am I leaving free money on the table? That's the core question I asked myself when I started diving deep into the Rogers Red MasterCard reward structure. As someone who has used this card for a while now, I can tell you the 1.5x redemption is the absolute key to its value. Without it, you're looking at a lower earn rate. With it, you're pushing a fantastic effective return, especially for a no-fee card. I'm going to break down my 3 core strategies for ensuring I capture that maximum 3% effective cashback value. 1. Prioritize Rogers bill payments, always. The 1.5x bonus means $100 in earned cash back is worth $$150 when applied to an eligible Rogers, Fido, or Shaw purchase. The most consistent and simple way to utilize this is by applying the rewards directly to my monthly bills. For me, this involves my Rogers cell phone and internet bills. The math: as a qualifying Rogers service customer, I earn 2% cash back on almost everything I buy. When I redeem that cash back against my bill, the $2 on the dollar instantly becomes 3 cents on the dollar thanks to the 1.5x multiplier. It's a non-negotiable step. My cash back must go to my Rogers family bills first. My tip: I don't let my cash back sit for too long. I set a recurring reminder to check my rewards balance in the Rogers Bank app and redeem as soon as I can cover a significant portion of my upcoming bill. The sooner you redeem, the sooner you lock in that boosted value. 2. Time major hardware purchases. If you're a heavy spender, you might accumulate cash back faster than your monthly bills can absorb it. This is where my second strategy comes in, using the bonus for big-ticket Rogers, Fido, or Shaw purchases. The opportunity: eligible purchases include new phones and accessories bought through Rogers or Fido retail locations. If I'm planning on buying a new phone, I always check the price through Rogers first. While I'm aware prices can sometimes be higher, the ability to redeem a large chunk of my cash back at a 1.5x multiplier often makes the Rogers purchase the most cost-effective option overall. My execution: I saved up around $700 in cash back, then bought a pair of high-end wireless headphones from a Rogers store. Instead of getting a regular $700 credit, I got $1,050 off the purchase price. That's a massive, one-time cash injection into my tech fund, and it cleared out my excess cash back at the highest possible value. 3. The $10 minimum balance rule. This is a technical point that can trip up even experienced users, and I learned this one the hard way. The rule: any purchase made when your cash back balance is below the minimum redemption threshold, which is currently $10 CAD, is ineligible for redemption later, even if your balance goes up afterward. My actionable takeaway: I always ensure I leave a buffer. I'm very careful not to redeem my cash back balance down to absolute zero. By keeping a minimum of $10 or more in my rewards balance at all times, I ensure that every single purchase I make on the card is eligible for redemption, and therefore, I don't lose the chance to redeem it against an upcoming Rogers charge for the 1.5x bonus. The bottom line is that the Rogers Red MasterCard is effectively a 3% cash back card on all purchases, but only if you redeem exclusively against Rogers Family Services. By strictly following these 3 methods, prioritizing bills, planning hardware purchases, and respecting the minimum balance, I've ensured my return is maximized every time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.